Are you considering dental implant treatment? Have you ever wondered how dental implants actually work? Well, let's explore the concept of osteointegration together. Osteointegration, the direct contact and integration between the implant surface and living bone, is the key to successful dental implant treatments. It allows for the formation of a strong and stable bond between the implant and the surrounding bone tissue. Back in 1952, Ingvar Brandmark made a groundbreaking discovery while studying blood flow using titanium chambers in rabbit femurs. He accidentally found that titanium has a unique ability to integrate and fuse with bone tissue, which paved the way for dental implants as a reliable solution for missing teeth. The process of osteointegration begins with the surgical placement of the dental implant into the jawbone. These implants are typically made of biocompatible materials, such as titanium, known for their excellent osteoconductive properties. Once the implant is in place, the surrounding bone tissue begins to heal and grow around the implant surface. During the healing process, osteoblasts, the bone cells in the vicinity of the implant, attach themselves to the implant surface. They then multiply and secrete a specialized matrix of proteins and minerals, gradually forming new bone tissue. This new bone tissue integrates with the implant surface, creating a strong and stable connection. To ensure successful osteointegration and implant stability, several factors come into play. First and foremost, the implant must have sufficient primary stability, initially provided by the implant's macrostructure and surgical placement technique. This stability allows for undisturbed healing and favorable conditions for bone growth. Secondary stability, which develops over time, is equally important. As the bone tissue integrates with the implant surface, it provides additional strength and stability, allowing the implant to withstand functional forces without complications. To assess osteointegration and implant stability, various methods are used, including resonance frequency analysis and radiographic evaluation. These assessments provide valuable information for monitoring the progress of osteointegration and determining the optimal time for prosthetic loading. In conclusion, osteointegration is a critical concept in implant dentistry. It forms the foundation for stable and successful dental implant treatments. By understanding and promoting osteointegration through appropriate implant design, surgical techniques, and postoperative care, we can achieve long-term functional and aesthetic outcomes. If you're ready to transform your smile with dental implants, take the first step today. Schedule a consultation with our team, and let us help you achieve the confident and beautiful smile you deserve.